हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल क्लासरूम। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, जो कि पहला टॉपिक है इंडियन हिस्ट्री के ऊपर, और इसके बारे में हम डिटेल्स डिस्कस करेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। द इंडस पीपल were the world first people to grow cotton and fiber into textile. The Indus people used the pictographic script for writing. For weight and measure, the Indus people used cubical weight and a bronze bar. The decimal system was known to the Indus people. 4 important point इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में। The Indus Valley civilization belongs to the Chalcolithic age. The direction of writing is from right to left and left to right in alternative lines. The important features of Indus Valley civilization are personal cleanliness and town planning, etc. The metals were known to them were gold, silver, copper, tin, lead, and bronze. These are important features of Indus Valley civilization. They used to make pottery and wheels. They uses ornaments like banglis, necklaces, armlets, anklets, fingerrings, etc. Other major features are construction of burned brick houses, ceramics and castings, use of face paint like lipsticks, eye ointment, etc. They also used to bury the dead bodies. Now, the religious life of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley religion is polytheistic and is made up of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. The Harappan people mainly worshipped female goddesses who were the symbol of productivity and prosperity. They worship people, tree, animals, especially bulls. Hinduism has its roots in the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is now increasingly referred to as Sindhu Saraswati civilization. They might have also believed in different rituals and so also in spirits and demons. Polity was most probably ruled by merchants or traders and priests. Idol worship was introduced in India for the first time by the Indus people. These are the very important religious life of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus people did not worship forces of nature, but they worship Yoni and Linga Puja. Those days, male god described as Purushpati, Sir John Marshall identified as Adi Shiva. Indus people believed in life after death. The Indus Valley civilization was basically an urban civilization. Now, some of important gods of Indus Valley civilization. जहाँ पर इंद्र, known as rain god, Agni, known as fire god, Varun, known as the god of water, Som, known as god of plants, Marut, known as god of storm, Yama, known as lord of death, Bayu, known as god of wind, Aditi, known as mother of gods, Ratri, known as goddess of night, Arannani, known as goddess of forest, and Usha, known as goddess of dawn. इनमें से सभी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो कि किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। सावित्री, गॉड ऑफ लाइट, गायत्री मंत्र डेडिकेटेड टू हर, ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। धायुस नोन एज गॉड ऑफ हेवन, जो कि ओल्डेस्ट गॉड है, ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। पुषान known as god of marriage and Apsaras known as water nymphs. ये था important gods of Indus Valley civilization. Now the four stages of life later Vedic period: ब्रह्मचर्य जो है स्टूडेंट लाइफ, गृहस्थ मैरिड लाइफ, वानप्रस्थ जो है लाइफ फॉर सर्विस टू अदर्स, और चौथा है सन्यास जो कि फॉरेस्ट लाइफ है। 4 इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जो कि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है।